IGBO AREA TV on Ndi Igbo.
Far away from home, across oceans and continents, the drums of Igbo identity are beating louder than ever. This is Igbo Cultural Day in the United Kingdom and Ireland. And right here on this soil, as you can see, thousands of miles away from Anioma, a cultural revolution is happening. You see, when the banner says Ahába Amaka, it isn't just a slogan. It is reclaiming a declaration, a healing. For years, many from Asaba and its neighboring town, places like Ogwachukwu, Seluku, Ibuza, lived with identity wounds, uncertain of how they fit in the larger Igbo story. Colonial borders, political games, and post-war trauma drew artificial lines through our people's heart.
That is goodbye till we meet no more. (1970) anyị bịa ka ije zụta ndị agha Nigeria bịa bulu egwu anyị mara na ọ bụ a game of death ka ịba n'ime ya nọ na iluzi wagadazi anyị n'ebuo bịa singula ụmụ nwoke niile out, ụmụ nwanyị bịa this side. Oge ka anyị afụzi the open fire pa we will go machine gun gahube our people, and they were slaughtered in thousands. Anyị nwa bụzi ndị nwe ike ịgbapụni bụ ndị ozu dakpudo n'azụ obero n'ebe ahụ. So nke a na-ekwu ife a ofu onye afụm si mbanya na moto abanya na moto amụrụ na onwekwa another killing field.
Asaba, a proud Igbo town, was cast into confusion. The result, generations born into silence, shame, and cultural limbo. But now, the silence is breaking. The lost children are coming home. The Asaba people are standing tall and saying, "We are Igbo. We've been Igbo. We've been always Igbo. And we are done apologizing for it." As you can see, at this cultural festival in the UK and Ireland, something powerful is happening. Identity crisis is vanishing. Self-recognition is rising. A people once divided by politics are uniting through cultural, language, and spirit. Many of them, we are no longer confused. Igbo bụ anyị, anyị bụ Igbo. Ahába Amaka. Across generations, from toddlers to elders, you can see it. The pride is returning. Our language, our dressing, our storytelling, our music are now tools of liberation. You heard that again inside. IGBOEZUE, a cry that means, let the Igbo rise and be whole again. The Asaba awakening is part of a bigger truth many refuse to face. The Igbo nation is not 5 states. It's a living spirit that stretches across Delta, Rivers, Benue, Kogi, Bayelsa, and far beyond. For decades, the enemies of Igbo unity have worked hard to divide us, using politics, marginalization, and media silence. But in this age of awareness, the story is changing. We are connecting. We are reconnecting. We are reclaiming. We are remembering. Whether you are in Asaba, Enugu, or Birmingham, whether your tongue rolls with dialects of Anioma or Afibo, if your roots are Igbo, this is your moment. Stand tall, speak boldly, teach your children, wear your isiago, share your oji, be unapologetically Igbo. Ndi Igbo, our race is mighty, bigger than what the world has been told, and stronger than the divisions they throw at us. The cultural revival is not just about festivals. It is about healing, about identity, about the unity that will shape our future. From the heart of Asaba to the spirit of Nsukka, to the streets of London, Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Kwenu. Kwezunu. This is IGBO AREA TV, telling the stories that they don't want you to hear. Telling the truth we must never forget.